Hey guys, it's Justine, and today we're checking out the Oculus Quest. Now, I'm so excited about this because I love VR, but I don't like the process to make VR work until now. With Oculus Quest, you don't need a PC, you don't need any wires, everything you need is right in the box. The experience of VR is so much fun just to transport yourself into another world. A huge thank you to Oculus for sponsoring this video. I've been looking forward to checking this out since it was first announced. Without further ado, let's unbox, check it out, and then I'm going to be going to E3 to be playing a demo of the 360 Beat Saber game. And Central, oh boy. I'm gonna be getting my workout in playing Oculus now. Just like that. The packaging is really well done. It's super easy to set up too because everything again is in the box. It also comes with the touch controllers. This is what allows you to transport your hands into the game. So that makes such a huge difference, being able to actually see your hands, because it makes you feel like you're so much more in the environment. I love that it also has this feature called the Guardian, so that'll allow you to not run into things when you're inside of the world. The Oculus Insight tracking system is right here. So these are ultra wide angle sensors. It provides room scale tracking without external sensors. Looks like we've got a charging brick, and this is a little extender. If you have glasses, this will allow you to wear glasses. This is a longer USB-C cable. We've got some batteries. Those are for the controllers. Instructions, so little. I'll read that later. So the headset has built-in audio, so you don't really need a headset, but if you do want to use headphones, there are 2 headphone jacks on each side. So there's one here, and again right here. It's gonna be kind of surrounding you, so you'll be able to actually hear people sneaking up behind you, or somebody in front of you, or to the left or to the right. I think now is the time that we set it up. This slides off very easily. That's it. In you go. Do our setup, Oculus Quest. Now this is gonna walk us through, and I am so ready. It's updating, it's updating. I guess I'll head off to E3 to play Beat Saber 360. So I'll see you guys in right now. We're about to go into the VR photo booth. These look really fun.
Go over to the center. Okay, so we're gonna do the view, don't worry, we can kind of work it out. So we're gonna have the sliders down. Okay. Let's do some 3. Nice.
So we're not gonna be playing the Beat Saber 360 demo just yet. First, we need to get a photo for Instagram.
My photo or boomerang?
Maybe both.
Okay.
Jenna's on boom duty. Play the demo. I'm so excited about this. It's really cool because they have 2 different levels and they're both themed around Imagine Dragons songs. So you really think I should play on hard?
Yes, ma'am.
Here we go. This is gonna be so fun.
Headphones in front of you.
Let's go. Okay, we're on hard. Oh my, okay, it's going so fast! What are you doing to me? Oh my gosh, this is insane. No, I did it wrong. Oh my god, there's so much happening. Slowing down a little. No, it's not. No, it's not. Ah! Oh my gosh, there's a wall. This is incredible. Oh. What? No, there are so many walls. Holy moly, you can't be doing this. No way, we're back. Oh gosh, the 360 is real. Oh my gosh. I did it. That was so fun. Okay, let's do another one. Okay, so I got a D. I think I might need to practice a little bit. Okay, Thunder. So Thunder only has a hard option.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh shoot. Well, let's go. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, this is so fast. Nope. Oops. Shoot. Oh, come on. Oh, I'm not doing well. This one is so hard. Oh my gosh. These walls are terrifying. Oh my gosh, there are walls everywhere. Okay, so I definitely didn't do as well as the last. I still got D. That's not last in the alphabet. That was so much fun. Oh my gosh. I think I need to practice a little bit. I'm sweating. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. I had so much fun playing the Beat Saber 360 game. It was honestly insane. Like, if you guys have played the first one, this was like a whole nother experience. A huge thank you to Oculus for partnering with me on this video. I had so much fun. What I'd like to know from you guys is, would you like to see me do more VR stuff? Like, should I get like a green screen wall and really get crazy? Let me know in the comments below. I'll see you guys later. Bye.